15 coolest kinetic gadgets that will give you goosebumps. Even though tools are made for office workers, anyone who is stressed out or having a dull day can use them to relax. But some people are always trying to make the world better and make new products that get people's attention and give them goosebumps. We're going to show you some of these products today. Hello, and thanks for coming to our Tech Me Over channel. Today, we have a video of the 15 coolest kinetic gadgets that will give you goosebumps. So don't forget to stay tuned and like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. Halo spheres. The cool gadgets will help you to get away from work and get your thoughts in order. Halo spheres are 2 steel balls covered in gold that can spin faster than 3,600 times per minute. A window or lamp can shine a cool kinetic light on the spheres, which you can control with your breath. 2. The Atelamese square wave. The Fibonacci sequence, which is the basic structure of all living things, was the inspiration for these one-of-a-kind kinetic designs. Ivan Black made them, and skilled artisans made them by hand. This set includes metallic silver, lunar gold, and eclipse bronze. Just spin it to be surprised by a series of optical illusions that will bend your mind and hypnotize you. The square wave is made of 21 metal rods that are all connected. When energy is added, the rods bend and change in unexpected ways. 3. Lollicopter. Lollicopter is a motorized machine that can change its shape in beautiful ways that will please your eyes. As soon as you turn it on, it starts to slowly rotate, showing its helix shape at the end of each turn. If you want to make it look even better, you can just use the LED mode. Once you switch to this mode, the Lollicopter will be surrounded by a circle of light, which is also nice to see at night. It's one of the best moving desk toys to look at while you're thinking, instead of just staring at your desk. Quirly, trademarked. Bored with routine tasks? Just wait until you get your hands on this tiny piece of enchantment and lift your spirits. Even though this toy only turns 30 times per minute, it might still catch your eye. An eyeglass ball with a silver or copper frame gives the illusion of an endless spiral movement. 5. The Magnetic Touch Pen. The Magnetic Touch Pen is one of the best kinetic devices that can aid your cause if you have the propensity to twist a pen between your fingers while you're stressed. There are 13 tiny cylindrical magnetic tubes in it. There are also 8 medium-sized metal balls, 2 giant metal balls, and 2 small metal balls. It can be used to create countless shapes, patterns, and sculptures, unlike regular pens. It will be a great desk buddy to have while working. 6. Sisyphus Art Table. We all want to impress our guests when they come to visit our home. How will you react if we say that there is a gadget that you can pull off as a piece of furniture also? Next on our list is something like that, which is called the Sisyphus Art Table. It is a kinetic sculpture that continuously creates and destroys lovely patterns by rolling a ball in the sand. Sisyphus is a calming experience to watch. It's time to add Sisyphus to your home so you may appreciate it as both art and furniture. 7. Titanium Spinner Top. According to recent studies, fidgeting or playing with kinetic desk toys at your desk can increase productivity and sharpen your focus. The titanium spinning toy is a kinetic tool that is available to assist you with it. The beautiful work of art, which weighs 17 grams, keeps spinning until you tell it to stop. It is the ideal combination of endurance with a luxury look and feels like it is made of the best metals and alloys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's continue with the list. 8. Playable Art Wonder Wire. The unending spiral is yet another game. Despite your best efforts, the spiral will never come to an end. It's a straightforward yet enigmatic illusion. In truth, your fingers move on the metal. You don't have to tell your pals when you pull, the 2 wires rotate. You can just demonstrate your magic to them instead. 9. Spin Flux. The spin flux is made to be small and look smooth. When the ball starts to spin, electromagnetic forces between the different parts make it feel smooth. It also comes with a wooden cradle that you can use to show off the device on your desk or play with. Made with an Agricart aluminum body and a neodymium magnet in the ballpark, Flux is a strong and long-lasting tool. 10. Newton's Cradle Desktop. The next one is a moving toy which gives a whole new look at Newton's famous work. The metal version of this looks like a pendulum, and to make it work, you have to pull a ball and let it go. This shows how the laws of physics work, but these beautiful, bright balls with LEDs and 3 backlight modes will help you relax. 11. Kinetic Balancing Desk Toy. This moving desk toy is fun, but it also makes your home or office look better. When you move the tool, it moves like a pendulum and is the perfect balance desk toy. The balancing figure moves with just a simple spin. Just push and see what happens. 12. A Kinetic Art Lamp. This extraordinary lamp will make any room feel like a magical place. Each lamp has been set up with 11 different ways to use colors. The standing waves are made by putting a nylon string between 2 motors. They are each very different from each other. You can even touch this moving sculpture. If you get too involved, you don't have to worry because the set comes with extra motors and strings. 13. Sandscript. Sandscript is another interesting gadget that you can look at all day. A steel ball controlled by magnets moves on a plate of sand and makes beautiful patterns. If you need to, you can change the pattern by moving the ball with the knob on the device. The machine comes with 2 steel balls of different sizes, sands, and an AC power adapter. If it doesn't look like what you wanted, you can shake the plate to level the sand and the ball will start drawing again. What do you think? 14. Mech Force EDC Gyroscope. This one is different from other fidget toys and is a step up from them. It's a great desk toy. The EDC gyroscope allows you to explore actual 3-dimensional gyroscope physics. It's small enough to go anywhere with you. Its graceful movements help the viewer understand the gimbal lock, angular momentum, and inertia. They also help you relax and stay focused as you go about your day. 15. Anaphor. This last gadget is a toy that comes in 5 different colors: chrome, chocolate, gold, rose, and ice. The device is easy to put together and has a leather base to keep the surface from getting scratched. Just turn the thing and look at the little whirlpool. It's easy to change the liquid inside. Just unscrew the top and pour in any liquid you want, like mouthwash, fruit juice, oil, or colored water. If you want, you can show your adventurous side by adding things like pearls, dust, sand, or liquids with different densities. Well, that's all for today. Please let us know in the comments section if we have missed any of your favorite gadgets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Me Over and like the video until then. See you at the next one.